Battery replacement for Westinghouse generators. Please check the manual for exact procedures for your specific model. Tools required: a Phillips head and a wrench. Make sure your battery and generator are both turned off. Locate your battery. If your generator's wheel is in front of the battery, you will have to remove it. Pull the pin from behind your wheel and take off the wheel. You can use the wheel to prop up your generator. Remove the 2 bolts and battery plate. Pull your battery out and place it on the ground close enough that your cords will not have tension. Pull the negative cover back and unscrew the bolt. Then pull the positive cover back and unscrew the bolt. Replace your old battery with the new one. Then rescrew the positive bolt back on and place the cover back over the bolt. Next, rescrew the negative bolt back on and place the cover back over the bolt. Reinsert the battery. Then the battery plate back on and screw in the bolts.